Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Ope, and on my channel here I dish out natural hair care and growth secrets as well as beautiful styles great for natural hair. Why don't you hit that subscribe button right now to join the fam, as well as click that notification button so you never miss a video. So I am back with another hairstyle video. This is another flat twist style which is super easy and simple to do. If you're interested in seeing how I achieve this style, then keep watching. So I just wanted to note that when you are styling your hair, it's important that you part your hair with something which has a pointy tip. I would not say sharp because you don't want to injure your scalp, but something with a pointy tip. And in lieu of that, when I couldn't find my tail comb, I decided to use a barbecue stick. Yes, you heard right, a barbecue stick. So that's the finished style, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe for more content, like, share so others can see, click that notification button so you never miss a video, and see you in my next video. Bye.